Good afternoon. My name is Zulma Natalie Chinome Rincon. I am 26 years old. I live in Sogamoso. I study environmental enjoy the members of my family are six that correspond to my father, my mother, and my three brothers, and I currently live with my parents and my young brother. 3 years ago, I had the pleasure of knowing the city of, of Medellin in its municipality of Colombia in the department of Antioquia. I went on vacation. I went with my sister and my nephew. I was guaranteed that know this beautiful city. The climate of the city is not I everywhere. The time I was there was very hot. I had the opportunity to sit to places. I spent a weekend in the beautiful city. My future plans are the travel to Huila for the half month of August for a cycling trek and also know the beautiful municipality of Colombia. Thank you.